So today I will be teaching you how to measure yourself. So first off, you need to put on your favorite bralette or the bralette cup that you like the size of. Then you need measuring tape, and you will need to measure your band. This will be your band. You want this to be pulled tight. Okay. That is how you get your band. Then you keep it at the same spot, but you put it where your breasts are the fullest. So you also pull this tight. And that is how you get your bust measurements. And I will tell you how you would get the cup size. So if the difference between your bust and your band is 0, then you wear a double A. If it's the difference between, if it's 1 inch, then you wear a double A. 2 inches a B, 3 inches a C cup. So, but it also depends on your cups and your coverage as well.